Safety ako diri. Safety ako. We get it, but there is a correct way to say that. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. Doon na lang akong maris ang ko. A few days from now, magsugod na po ang klase. So, murag new shoes atong i-break in atong mga brain cells. So, i-revive na po nato ato ang English tutorial. Making complex English lessons simple and fun here in your channel. Teacher Wonderland, with your teacher Ram, always excited to teach you virtually yet heartily. Today, let's learn the secret of how to use a word correctly in a sentence. Knowing the words part of speech is our secret, so we can use a word correctly in our sentence construction. Let's say safety. Safety is a noun. Safe. Safe is an adjective. So when you say safe, it is an adjective that describes a place or a situation that is not dangerous. So you can say swimming here is safe. Swimming here is safe, not safety. But if you are going to use the noun safety, then you can say safety is always a priority in every swimming time. Next, we have the breath and the breathe. Breath is a noun that means the air that goes in and out of our lungs. On the other hand, the verb breathe is simply to inhale and exhale. So when you say that you have an inhale exhale exercise, then you can say the noun like breath. You will say, I usually hold my breath during my inhale exhale exercise. To use the verb breathe, you simply say, oh, I can now breathe again. To take my breath away here. In our third pair is the noun complaints. Yes, with a T, complaints, and you have to sound the T there. And the verb complaints. So when you say complaints is a noun and complaints is a verb. Like, I would like to complain that, whatever you want to complain. And of course, the noun complain, like, I have many complaints about my schedule. I hope you have learned something today, family, friends, and dear learners. Until then, remember, God loves you so much.